You've tried everything to lose weight, counting calories, skipping meals, endless workouts, but nothing seems to work. Especially now that you're over 30 or 40, your body just doesn't respond the same way. Sound familiar? What if I told you that the problem isn't you? It's the diet you've been following. And today I'm going to show you how the carnivore diet is transforming the lives of thousands of women, especially those over 40, 50, and even 60, helping them lose weight naturally, reduce inflammation, balance hormones, and finally feel in control of their bodies again. So stay with me until the end, especially mistake number 3, because it could completely change your journey. Let's start with the basics. What is the carnivore diet, especially when we talk about it for women? The carnivore diet is a way of eating that focuses on eliminating plant-based foods and eating only animal-based products, like beef, lamb, eggs, fish, and even some dairy, if tolerated. Now you might be thinking, wait, no veggies? Here's the thing. Many women experience chronic bloating, fatigue, hormonal imbalances, and autoimmune issues, and don't realize that some so-called healthy foods are making things worse. The carnivore diet removes inflammatory triggers and gives your gut and hormones a reset. And the results? Incredible. As we age, our hormones shift. Estrogen drops, insulin resistance increases, weight clings to our belly like never before. That's why traditional diets don't work the same anymore. Your metabolism slows down, and calorie counting becomes frustrating and ineffective. The carnivore diet simplifies everything. No need to track every bite, no calorie math, no expensive shakes or supplements. It works with your biology, not against it. Women over 50 are seeing reduced joint pain, better sleep, mental clarity, and sustainable fat loss. This isn't a fad, it's a return to real nourishing food. Okay, so how do you start this lifestyle, especially if you've never done anything like it? Start simple. Choose fatty meats: beef, lamb, pork, salmon. Eat when you're hungry, stop when you're full. Add in eggs, organ meats like liver, and salt. Drink water, bone broth, or black coffee. Avoid plant oils, sugar, processed carbs, fiber supplements. It might sound intense at first, but give it just 7 days. Most women report better digestion, reduced cravings, and more energy in the first week. Now, if you're thinking, okay, I'm interested, but I need a real plan, I've got something for you. Discover how to lose weight naturally without the yo-yo effect or counting calories. The Carnivore Diet Ultimate Plan is the complete guide for women ages 30 to 50 who want to balance hormones, reduce inflammation, and transform your body with a simple, effective approach. Learn how to burn fat without starving or feeling frustrated. I'll leave the link below if you're ready to take action today. Let me share some real stories. Sarah, 42, lost 27 pounds in 3 months. Maria, 55, reversed joint pain and brain fog. Jessica, 38, finally got her period regular again after years of imbalance. What they all had in common: they stopped following trends and started fueling their bodies with what they truly needed. Let's break down some of the top benefits women are reporting. Fat loss, especially belly fat. Mental clarity. Better sleep. Hormonal balance. Reduced inflammation. Stable energy all day. And for women dealing with PCOS, endometriosis, autoimmune flares, or perimenopause, this diet can be a total game changer.
Let's be real. Starting a new way of eating isn't always smooth. Here are some common mistakes and how to avoid them. Not eating enough fat. You'll feel tired and cranky. Not drinking enough water or electrolytes. Trying to be perfect. This is a lifestyle, not a punishment. Expecting instant weight loss. Healing comes first. Be patient. Trust the process. Your body will thank you. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried the carnivore diet? Or are you just getting started? Drop your experience or questions in the comments. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe so you don't miss out on the next videos. And if you're ready to go deeper, click the link below to grab the Carnivore Diet Ultimate Plan and finally discover how to burn fat naturally, balance your hormones, eat without counting anything, and feel amazing in your skin again.